Voila! Welcome to the live stream, guys. What is going on? Are we all doing good today? We have seen the market drop, and today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why the market have dropped today. And Bitcoin got rejected from the resistance level. So yesterday we are waiting for a possible breakout, and right now Bitcoin's price is hovering on a trend line. So let me show you the chart, guys, and let me update you with some of the charts that we have discussed yesterday. All right. World's largest crypto exchange, Binance, hacked yesterday, and we have seen a drop by 4% to BNB's price yesterday. So that is why it's very important that you stay tuned to the news and to what is happening with the entire crypto market, and not only with the entire crypto market, but also with the rate hikes, with the inflation, dollar index bouncing back up. And here's the chart yesterday. DXY is almost on the 61.8. This was the chart yesterday. Yesterday the price was hovering at around 111. All right, and right now we have seen a bounce back up and a possible rejection here. If the price continues to move up and breaks 78.6, that means a possible trend reversal based on the Fibonacci retracement level. So if this breaks 78.6, then we might see further drop of Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins. Let's check the news first. World's largest crypto exchange hacked with possible losses of $500 million. So this is Binance. Binance, the largest crypto company to experience a targeted hack, temporarily suspends transaction and transfer of funds. Did you check your wallet, guys? Do you still have your BNBs in your Trust wallet or in whatever wallet you're holding right now? When I saw this news, I immediately check my BNB and all my wallets every time there's a hack. So this is a pretty concerning news, because if the world's largest crypto exchange is getting hacked, how about individual persons like us? How can we avoid hackings like this? But of course, hackers will not target like small time traders. But of course, if they can hack larger exchange or the biggest crypto exchange, it will be easier for them to hack our own accounts or our own wallets here, just by simple PDF file, or you're opening a link via email that could trigger a vulnerability into your phone or to any electronic device. So be cautious always, especially clicking links or any email attachment. Why is crypto market down today? Crypto prices keep crashing, and it seems like there's no bottom. There's no bottom in sight. Here are 3 reasons why cryptocurrency prices are falling today. So crypto prices are falling on October 7. That's today, and it's currently trading. Bitcoin is currently trading at 19,479. Later I'm going to show you the chart, and the structure is still intact, but in the 1 hour time frame I'm going to show you a double top formation. failed in its attempt to lock in gains above 20,500 level. So this was my first target, guys. So if you are in the VIP, this was my first target, 20,500. Second is 20,700 level. Quick disclaimer first. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. All right, so let's proceed. Have you tried Have you tried this? I'm chewing this right now. It gets stuck on my teeth. So here, back to the news. BTC price has been pinned between 17,600 to 24,500. That's the bigger range, guys. If you're going to zoom out, Bitcoin has been trading from 17.6 to 24.5. That's the sideways level. And the current price actions simply show Bitcoin trading within the lower section or the range. So here are the three reasons why. First is the Federal Reserve interest rate hikes. All right, so that's the reason why. One of the first reason why. When monetary policy or metric that measures strength of the economy shift, risk asset tend to signal or move earlier than equities in 2021. If inflation begins to taper, the health of economy improve, or the Fed begins to signal a pivot in its current monetary policy, risk asset like Bitcoin and altcoin could again be the canaries in the coal mine by reflecting the return of risk on sentiment from investor. Second is the persistent threat of regulation. So right now, they are trying to regulate crypto. They're trying to regulate crypto, guys. And that's the reason why we're seeing a drop and continuous drop in the prices of crypto. Not only its bear market, but of course, all of this bad news and Ponzi scheme. Luna actually started all this. When Luna crashed, Bitcoin followed, and the rest is history. And right now, we are still hovering in the lower levels. Here, scams and Ponzi's triggered liquidation and repeat blows to investors' confidence. So here's one reason why. Terra, Luna, and Celsius network, as well as misuse of leverage and client fund by 3 Arrows or 3AC. That was all. That all happened within this year, guys. Terra, Luna, Celsius, and 3AC being liquidated. What to expect in 2022 through 2023? So here's what we should expect based on this article. The factors, in fact, impacting falling prices within the crypto market are driven by Federal Reserve policy. So the main reason why is because of the Federal Reserve rate hikes, meaning the Fed power to raise, pause, or lower rates will continue to have a direct impact on Bitcoin's price, Ethereum, and altcoin. In the meantime, investors' appetite risk is likely to remain muted, and potential crypto trader might consider waiting for the sign that US inflation has peaked and Federal Reserve begin using language that is indicative of policy pivot. So also one of the reasons why mentioned a while ago is the US job growth slows less than expected, means that the Fed can continue raising hikes in the coming months. All right, so these are just some of the news that's affecting the overall crypto market today. Let's check crypto bubble, guys. Oh, APE, ZIL, pumping. Let's check. Let's find APE. Maybe we can ride the waves. APE. Where's APE? Right. Oh, I changed the chart. Bounce from here. We're a little bit late. All right, so let's go back here. Crypto bubble, we have APE, we have also ZIL, we have Ethereum proof of work, we have also Casper, Leo, Dash, RSR is in red, we have also CHZ, and EGLD, ETC also is showing up here. Let's check some of the charts discussed. Let's dive into the charts. Let me know if you have any chart requests so we can check it before we end the stream. So let me update you with the previous chart. First on the line, DYDX. This was shared in our VIP Discord today. All right. Let me sign in. Let me give you a quick ad. I'll just sign into this. 5 reasons why you should open an account in BITGET. BITGET new and improved 2.0 platform, seamless user experience, responsive and optimized design for all digital devices. Open, close, set TP and stop loss using the drag and drop feature. BGB BITGET native token. Use it as trading fee discounts. Launchpad privilege. Groupon. Super airdrops. Money tree privilege and BGB earn. Deposit, hold, earn up to 6% annual percentage yield. Buy crypto with credit cards, Apple Pay or Google Pay using the most trusted payment infrastructure in the world of crypto. BITGET received regulatory licenses in Australia, Canada and in the US. So what are you waiting for? Download BITGET. The link is in the description down below. Very slow app. 5 reasons why you should open an account in BITGET. BITGET new and improved 2.0 platform, seamless user experience, responsive and optimized design for all digital devices. Open, close, set TP and stop loss using the drag and drop feature. BGB BITGET native token. Use it as trading fee discounts. Launchpad privilege. Groupon. Super airdrops. Money tree privilege and BGB earn. Deposit, hold, earn up to 6% annual percentage yield. Buy crypto with credit cards, Apple Pay or Again, I'm gonna repeat, I don't have sound. So again, I just would like to show the VIPs who are in Discord who don't know how to read charts. So I will explain how to enter a trade here, like this chart here, DYDX. This is one of the chart that I have shared today in our Discord group, and some of the members I have received some messages that they don't know how to read charts. So I will explain how you can enter with this kind of chart like this here. All right, so let me explain it to you and to those who don't know how to read this kind of trade setup. So here, this was shared earlier. This was the entry point. DX or DYDX is just approaching our long entry point here. This was the long entry point a while ago when DYDX was just on its way to our entry point here. So on this chart, this was the entry point long, the blue line or blue area we have here from 1.194 to 1.213. so here's the chart, guys. This is the first the lower entry point is 1.194, blue line, blue color here. Second is this one here, 1.213. That's the area, and currently this is the TP point, the white line, or near the resistance. So if you are holding your long position, I'm still holding my zoom out. So if you are still holding, your DX or DYDX position, you can start to take profit here. I'm still holding mine, right? So this is 4%, already more than 5%, around 5% move from the long position here. And stop loss, red line. So here's your stop loss, guys, at around 1.17 area will be your stop loss, just exactly below this candle wick here. So just so you know how you can enter a trade with a chart like this. So we have your resistance trend line, support trend line, and we are entering the trade near the support trend line here at 1.213. All right, so that's for DYDX, and congratulations to those who have entered the trade. And for Bitcoin is currently trading here. We have the support trend line. You're looking at the daily time frame. This was the same chart that was shared in our previous live here. So here, this is our long position. This was also shared in our VIP Discord. So if you're holding the Bitcoin long position, guys, here's the chart. So currently we're trading below the long entry point. Why we have set a long entry point at around this area here? It's because this area was supposed to be the breakout point and the support level. So right now this is looking bearish because the price or Bitcoin's price is already below this supposedly support and breakout point. This was a previous support here, and also the breakout point. This was a previous resistance, and also this has a confluence here, support trend line and horizontal trend line. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, we have actually three confluences. We have here the horizontal trend line, the 200-day moving average, and the support trend line. Currently, we are seeing a bounce near the support trend line here. Hopefully, this will hold. If this will hold, then we might see a bounce from this point up to the resistance trend line here. This one, this thin blue line. And this right now, this previous support, this is looking bearish because this was the breakout point, previous support turned into a resistance right now. So we have right now a strong resistance here, 200-day moving average in confluence with the horizontal trend line. So right now our position is kind of in danger because right now this previous support has turned into a resistance in confluence with the 200-day moving average. But I'm still holding my long, and I will stick with my stop loss here because this is still showing higher highs here and higher lows. So we have here higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. But if this one, our stop loss is around here, because why? Because if the price falls below or drop up to this level, then we might see a lower low here formation. So this will basically invalidate our support trend line and also the structure for Bitcoin. Overall, this is still inside the range, guys. Here we have a range. So we have here the support near 18,800 and possible resistance here. If we're going to consider all these wicks here on top, we are still in the range. This one here, rejection, 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 and support on this area. So we are still in this range. Let's check actually how many percent is this. Around 8% move. So I'm gonna continue holding my long position. This is a small percentage. Most of my trades are 1 to 3% of my entire portfolio. So if I'm holding like $100 in my account, then I'm trading only $3 per trade. That's the 3%. If I'm holding $1,000, then I'm trading only maximum 30. Currently, we have here, let me check some of our viewers today. We have the first, Andres Jaworski. We have also Maita Martina. We have Mauricio watching the stream. Ray France, our daily viewer. New Destination, welcome to the stream. Kunal Kalwar, I can see same names daily. Thanks guys, thanks for joining me daily here. Shazio Amio, chill, please check MTL. All right, so let's check it. Let's check MTL. So for Bitcoin, guys, this is still trading in the same range here, and we still have the support trend line. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. I'm going to continue to hold my long position. Let's check tomorrow. Hopefully this will bounce. My goodness. Our stochastic RSI looking weak right now. We have a double top here, stochastic RSI. Same with the 1 hour time frame. Our chart is showing this possible double top formation here for Bitcoin. So let's just cross our fingers that we might get a possible bounce here for Bitcoin. So same spot, Bitcoin has been rejected. All right, so let's check tomorrow. I'm gonna continue to hold. My risk is very minimal. So this one here is 3.97. 3.97. I think I'm sitting on negative. Let me check. So in my BitGet account, I got around $5,000 in here. And here's my Bitcoin position. Negative. I think it's reversed. I'm negative 7% using 5x leverage. All right. So let's go back to the stream, guys. Let's go back to the stream. We have also Teldog watching the stream, Ivan, Matvanko, Islamic videos, Rune TA. All right, so let's proceed with our charts. And I'm watching the video of Mr. Beast before I went on live here. He said all you have to do when you want to gain more subscribers and likes on your video, all you have to do is just to say like and subscribe. All right, so let's see if that's effective. Let's go back to our charts. I'm gonna hold you accountable if no one will subscribe on my video today, Mr. Beast. So here, again, Bitcoin, let's just hope that this support trend line will continue to hold, or else I'm gonna lose money as well. So we had a beautiful run in the previous month, and if this is going to hit our stop loss, this could be the first losing trade, or first or second. I think this was the first, because previously Bitcoin have bounced from my previous position. So right now this will be the first loss, just in case, not loss but stop loss. I don't consider a stop loss really a loss. If you got liquidated, then that is your fault, because you did not follow the proper position sizing, and of course you did not limit or manage your risk properly. Here, what we're trading always is we are limiting our risk from 1 to 3%. This is around 3.97%. I can consider this a high risk trade because of the risk to reward ratio, but most of our trades risk is limited from 1 to 3%. So one trade, if you lose 1 to 3%, that's okay. Most of our trades, our risk to reward are pretty good. From 1 to 3% risk, and reward will be around 7 to 15, 20%. So one trade can cover most of your losses. So this one is already covered in my previous trade. 1 month, beautiful trades if you are in the VIP. So let's hope tomorrow, Saturday, my goodness, it's weekend. Usually we are seeing, mostly if you're here in crypto, usually weekend is a dump day for crypto, but sometimes we got some surprises during the weekend. So that's for Bitcoin, guys. Let's proceed with S&P 500. S&P 500, my goodness, dropped below the support, this yellow line. This was the previous chart yesterday. I'm expecting actually a price action similar to this one. Drop. I'm hoping that this previous breakout point would hold, but looks like we are trading below it right now. So here, I'm expecting a possible bounce here yesterday. That is why most of our trade setups are in long position. But right now, this is trading just below. So next support for S&P 500 will be back to the 200-day moving average. BTC will go to 20,500 in the next few days. So we have the droney. Hopefully that's actually my first target, 20,500. Next will be 20,700, 20,800 level. So here, the first TP point, 20,000. Second is we have this resistance here at around 20,500 area. Last candle wick here, and next will be TP, this one here, TP2, green area, 20,800 level. This will be the major resistance to break. So going back to S&P 500, if this continues to drop, the next support that I'm watching, don't forget, guys, that longer time frame, I still have this area here as the possible target for S&P 500. So this will be the next support level, zone support. So this will be the next zone support level, just in case this 200 weekly moving average doesn't hold. So if you're going to check the weekly time frame, guys, this is where this is the 200 weekly moving average here. All right, so going back to the daily time frame, this will serve as our next support for S&P 500. If this continues to drop, Bitcoin will likely to follow. All right, so I have shared this chart already in our VIP Discord. Here's the update. All right, that's very slow. So here's the update already posted and already shared in our VIP Discord. This was the chart yesterday. This was the price action that I was expecting, but the support did not hold. So let's check some of the chart requests here. We have what's the first one? MTL. Let's check MTL first. To chart before we end the stream, it's already a late night here on my end, 11:30. MTL, let me check if we have MTL in here. MKR, we don't have MTL. Oh, what a surprise. MTL, metal. Daily time frame, this also have like a sideways channel here, more like of a descending triangle pattern. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we have this 200-day moving average acting as a resistance for MTL. Same, almost similar with Bitcoin. We have also the sideways channel here, but looks like a descending triangle. Let's consider this a sideways channel. So sideways channel. Where's the middle line? Let's use actually our parallel channel. Parallel channel. Let's consider this one here. All right. So we have our resistance and also our support here for MTL. And right now we have also our middle line. This will serve as a resistance right now because the price is actually trading below. So ideally, guys, if you want a safer entry, especially for this one, and especially with this kind of a very volatile market, I would suggest to just stick with possible short near the resistance and long near the support here to minimize the risk, right? So stop loss just a little bit below the candle wicks. So let's check the risk to reward ratio, right? You see, we can limit the risk here by, let's move this just a little bit below the candle wick. So that's That's around 1% risk, 1.2% risk for long. And for short, we have a lot of candle wicks above. So if you want to be safer, we have 2 entry point for short. First will be the top of the parallel channel here. Second will be near this 200-day moving average here. So possible move for MTL. Right now, don't trade the middle, because this is, for me, in my experience and in my own opinion, this is a no trade zone here in the middle, because if you're going to long or short, you might just as well step out because of the move here in the middle. So wait for possible price to hit the support, or short near the resistance, or short near the 200-day moving average here. So that's for MTL. Let me share this actually in the VIP. Maybe they want to use the chart. All right. MTL chart request. High risk. All right, next we have Rune. All right, let's check Rune. Again, we have this adult dating site flooding our stream. How do we actually stop this? We have a porn bot flooding our stream here. So let's check Rune, guys. Where's Rune? All right, where is Rune? Here. Oh, you see, this was the previous price action. So Rune again is trading on the middle area here of the support and possible resistance. Let's check the daily time frame. We have weekly support here and looks like a channel. Let me delete, make it clear. This was a previous price action. Smaller time frame, let's check the smaller time frame, 4-hour time frame. Most of the chart actually looking the same. So for Rune also, this looks like a sideways channel with a possible zone here in the middle. From this point to this point here. All right. So again, if you want to enter a safer entry points for this kind of chart, this is right now in the middle, guys. So we don't know if this is going to bounce back up, especially if you're going to check here the stochastic RSI in the 4-hour time frame. This is in the oversold area. But we have also a limited move here, because if you're going to enter a long position here, we have this zone in the middle. So this could act as a resistance here, this area here at 1.6 area. So your move to the upside is very less. The risk to reward ratio is not that good. Also in the 1-hour time frame, this 200-day moving average acting as resistance. Also possible double top here, similar to Bitcoin. Possible double top here, similar to Bitcoin. All right. So if you want to enter a safer trades, wait for the price to at least hit. We're talking about the smaller time frame here. If you're trading futures, we limit our range into this smaller ranges. We don't want to trade like this kind of range here, this kind of range. From this to this point here, we don't want that kind of setup in the if you're trading futures, because the risk will be very high. If you're trading this kind of range or swing trade, then you need to adjust from this point to this point, right? Like around 20% move, or this area here, like this move here from the support trend line to the resistance trend line. This is around 50% move. So if you're trading swing trade or range, this one here, this is a 60%, 50% move. If you're trading this area here, then you need to adjust your position size and of course your risk. You need to manage your risk, because if you're trading the same size or same position, smaller trade and bigger ranges, then you will more likely to get liquidated. So in this range, we're trading the smaller range here. All right, smaller range, and we also limit our risk from 1 to 2% in most of our trades, 1 to 3% max. More than 3% is already considered high risk. So for Rune, similar to MTL, we have also candle wicks up to here. So the risk to reward ratio is a little bit, this is around 3.6% from the bottom here up to the resistance point. And from the top, we can short it here if the price continues to get rejected from the resistance trend line. No trade zone in the middle. This one right here, 200-day moving average, will act as a resistance right now. So short is 2 point. So this will be our two possible trade setups. Let me move this one here. Right. Stop loss. Also stop loss here. All right, guys, so that's for Rune and for MTL. So I think that's it for today, because it's already late night here on my end and we have been streaming for almost 45 minutes. Let me share this in our VIP Discord. Rune trade setup as per the latest stream chart request. All right, guys, so thanks for joining me today, and again, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Support the channel and trade safely, protect your assets at all times. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.